LDP-DEW. And I have her in the color RT1B / BlondeSwirl, and she's by Motown Tress. So let's check her out, okay? I ordered her from Beauty of New York. Don't remember the price because I ordered a bunch of them, but I will link it below. Oh, good grief, she's all up in here, you guys. So let's just get her all cut out the box and check her out and try this girl on. She got some blonde in her, huh? All right, she's a deep lace. Let me get this stock card off so you guys can see that. Oh, let me just cut it off. Okay, here's a good look at the stock card. Curling iron safe up to 400. She says she has a deep part, and that's it, guys. All right. Okay. Let's take a look at her cap construction. Okay. She has 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, and there's our little part and our lace. We're gonna cut that off, and we're gonna try her on. Oh, she has the adjustable straps. Let me. Yeah, my head is little. I'll fix that later. My head is little, so I know I'm gonna have to adjust this, but for now I'll just try her on with you guys. But let me cut the lace off first right quick. So I'm excited about this one. I love long curly hair, but I don't know, I never had it with the blonde in it. So we'll see, huh? But she's got some pretty colors, and she look real cute on the model, so we'll see how this goes. And I'm just cutting it real fast. I'll perfect it later. I just kind of want to get her on and so you guys can see. Oh, let me add a little concealer. Oh, dropped her. Let me add a little concealer to the okay. All right, let's try her on. She looks so good. Okay, let me just try her on right quick. All right, and you guys, when I do my wigs, trust me, I've never had this style before. So when I do my wigs, we are trying it on together the first time. I don't know. I might have to add. She might need a little plucking or something. I don't know. All right, let me just get these combs on here. Yeah, I gotta cut the lace some more. Right now, I'm just gonna tuck it under. But you guys know, I'll cut it later some more. But there we go. Okay, so this little blonde thing they got going on in the front, it's cute. Okay. She's cute. I seen oh, I don't know who it was. One wig review young lady who did this wig, and she went and combed her out real fluffy. But I guess when I wear her, yeah. I don't know. I might cut it some too. I don't like mine this long, but I'm gonna let you see the back. Oh, let me do my mirror so I can see that you're seeing. That's the back. Yeah, you might wanna, yeah. You gotta comb out the curls. They really, so I will just comb them out and cut the wig some, because I don't like my wigs this long. But she's cute. She's cute. But yeah, comb her out. Yeah, the young lady did right. I wish I could remember who she was who did this review on her, but she combed it out and came back, and it was really cute. So yeah, you do gotta comb her out, comb the curls, because they real spirally and springy. So yeah, and I'll just probably cut mine all to one length, you know, because like I said, I don't like it Cinderella length. All right, so an earring. And yeah, I love the side parts on my wig, so that. And okay, so yeah, you probably just want to cut the ends. Yeah, I mean, some people like theirs really long, but for me, I'm gonna cut it all to probably about this length when I do wear her. And fix it. Yeah, you want to fix up and be going somewhere nice with her. She's cute. Okay, guys, well, thank you for watching my channel. I appreciate you all stopping by. Again, I will link the price of her in the description box below, and I'll also link my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram account, so you can follow me there. And don't forget the thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Be blessed, beauties. Bye.